This is Fox 4 News at 6.
Most of us take trips to the doctor at least once a year, but have you ever thought about which ones may have a track record of malpractice lawsuits? A new report revealing local offices are among the highest for paid claims. Tonight, 4 Corner's Tony Sadiku speaking with an attorney and breaking down which practices had the most run-ins. Tony?
Patrick, malpractice claims don't necessarily mean physicians did anything wrong, but one attorney I spoke with today says it's vital to know your doctor's background and prior complaints before being seen.
You always want to trust the doctors that are in your local area.
Southwest Florida doctors repeatedly settling out of court after complaints of malpractice.
Patients' lives are at risk from that one rotten apple.
A risk Fort Myers attorney Carlos Cavenago says many can't afford.
When a radiologist is reading a report, there's no room for making a mistake. If they make a mistake, they miss cancer. They miss something that can kill you.
A recent report by Health News Florida broke down the top docs with the most reported paid malpractice claims between 2000 and 2016. Physicians who work at hospitals are not included in the report. The numbers are based on data from the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation and Department of Health. It shows Dr. Philip Regala and Dr. Miles Somatin, both board-certified orthopedic surgeons in the Naples and Bonita Springs area, had at least 8 paid claims apiece, with a combined total of $3.5 million.
When anytime a person gets cut upon, there's known risks.
One of those claims led to disciplinary action by the state for Dr. Regala after he mistakenly performed an incision on the patient's right hip when it was supposed to be done on the left in 2005. Dr. Regala was ordered to pay a $15,000 fine, complete community service hours, and continuing education. Dr. Somatin also had to pay a hefty fine after state records show he failed to diagnose a patient's reflective sympathetic dystrophy in 2003.
And a lot of times doctors will have a lot of stuff on their walls, but it may not be mean anything other than the paper that it's written on.
Make sure your physician's board certified. Check him or her out. Google them on the internet. See if they've ever been arrested before. Ask your neighbor. Ask people you trust. Ask patients.
I did reach out to both doctors' offices today. Neither returned my call. The Department of Health does revoke licenses from doctors with repeated medical malpractice convictions. However, this does not apply to those who settle out of court. To check your physician's history of complaints, click on this story on fox4now.com. Tony Sadiku, Fox 4 in your corner.